How much date?
100 naira, 50 naira.
How much for half Congo?
100 naira.
Eh, kilele. Show lele. Ele kilele.
10 naira.
Yes.
1,200. Cow.
1,200. Jale.
Di yàtọ̀ ra. Ó rí pé
Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video and welcome to Audio Olakwe Space. Today I will just be showing you the post office and their serial numbers. You can see that this is Nigerian post office here in Ibadan, or your state, Nigeria. It still exists. And another beautiful things you need to know about the post office is you can actually still post letter and receive letters. But if you're not conversant with the post office in Ibadan, it's actually at Dugbe. But this is how the numbers are actually being arranged. And once you get to the post office, you pay for a number that is available, then you continue to receive your letters anywhere from the world. So this is actually our post office here in Ibadan. I just said let me share this, let me take you around our post office. So this are beautiful, lovely, the serial number are being arranged. So I checked and it started from actually it started from 100 and I think 29 or so, because I was actually trying to see if I'm going to get number one, but I didn't get number one. At my back here we have 4,000. Here this place is 4,805. At this other side we have 10,000. Yes, these are 10,000, 10,200, 10,023, 10,024, and so on and so forth. So I just want to take you through our post office here in Ibadan. Hope you like it. If you like Audio Olakwe Space, don't forget to always subscribe, share my video. So let's go. And this is how it looks like. Okay, numbers. Still like let's search. Like if you have a number, we actually have a number that exists and that is 122. It is actually 120. Sorry, it's just giving you the other side. So it's 10022. This is our own number. So now you can send anything outside the country, because they also have EMS here at this particular post office, Dugbe post office. You can send anything outside the country to any part of the world. And like I said, I went there. I think they gave me the price. I'm not going to share the price on the line, because I actually asked somebody that I wanted to send to. I'm moving from Ibadan to Lagos sometimes can be so stressful. So I just said, okay, let me try them for the first time. And it was a very good experience with EMS. That is the Nigerian post office in Dugbe. They really did a great job. My good arrived perfectly the right time that it should arrive. So I think they are also trying when it comes to express delivery. This particular spot is used in posting of big letters. The whole is very big. So if you have a package, a very big package, you can use this particular place. This particular place, the small one, is used for posting of letter, the small letter. Here are from 12,000 upwards. So we have 12,700, 12,800. So if you're looking for your number, if you're having 12,000, if your number is 12,000 plus, this is how you check when you want to collect your letter. So the way it is, it has key. You have your personal key to your box. So anytime you can come around to check if you have letter. So if you have letter, all you just need to do is just to take your letter, lock it, and go back home. So these are the numbers as being arranged. So that's when I said the number started from 100 and something. So this is 193. 194, I think so. So the way they arranged it was so surprising, because these are the numbers beneath, and you can say, okay, actually it started from 193, 194, and the highest number, as you can see, the highest number is 13,237. Goes down. It's a very
So much for your love, for supporting Ojolakpe Space. If you haven't subscribed to Ojolakpe channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to Ojolakpe Space. Share my video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.
So these are things like